Yep. Welcome to Mora FC. I will appreciate your time being here. Thank you so much for being here. This is a simple verse that we are going to do. Very simple verse to make for a kid. Simple way, simple steps. It's going to be part 1 and 2. The cutting and sewing. Just have to get the chest measurement. You divide it by 4. Then you add 2-inch allowances. Then you check the length of it, how long you want it to be. Then you count the shoulder slope. You deduct 1 inch from that. You draw your straight line. This is verse for a kid in the simple ways form that we're gonna go with. We are not going to go much detail just for a kid. So the waist, I measure 9 inch for the waist. Then you draw your line. The armhole, I measure 5 inch from the top, not from the line that I drew from the top. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. Give me a notification bell. Click on the notification bell. Subscribe and give me a thumbs up. The shoulder back, you divide it into 2. Then you mark. You can even deduct 1 inch from the shoulder because you don't want the shoulder side to be very big. So you can deduct every measurement that you get. You deduct 1 inch from it, and you're going to use it and divide it into 4 and use it. We come by the next side. You're gonna go 6 inches depth. When it comes to vest, we don't leave much sewing allowances. The 2 inch that I use, we come to the neck. You measure 2. I made it 2.5, rather 2.5. Like I was saying, when it comes to vest, we don't need so much allowances left. Just have to leave and half allowances, which can be sewing for both sides and both sided to understand. So the 2 inch that I leave is for the bottom folded part and the sewing allowances. When it comes to the armhole, we deduct almost 1 inch. Make sure you curve it so deeply, because if you don't curve it so deeply, you're gonna pump out when you wear it. It's not going to lie there flat. You're gonna pump out when you wear it. You check the waist. You divide it into 4. Then you add 2 inch sewing allowances. Like I said, the 2 inch that I leave, 1 inch is going to be for the bottom folded part, and the other one is going to be the sewing part, which I'll be sewing half from the other side, half from the other side. So you just have to cut. We are working with the front first. This is the front, which has been folded into 2. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell. Anytime that I post, you get a message that I post something, banger video, then you come and watch it and support the movement. Give me a thumbs up, like and share. Give me a comment. Tell me what you think. So we're gonna work with the bottom. You come up top by 2 inch, and you go down there. You did that 2 inch, mark 2 inch. Then you go up there, you measure 2 inch from that part again. So you draw a line. Voila, then you cut it. That's the front. Man, the front is already been done. Whoosh. Ooh la la. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. You know what it is. And I'm working with where I'm gonna put the bottom, the pocket, so it's 10. So I'm checking. You can make it 3 or 3.5 for a kid. Pocket. This pocket is not going to be like we're gonna put something in it. It's just a function. You can't put nothing in it. It's gonna just be there. Mostly not all vests that you can put something in your pocket. So this is the back. You can see that I've shifted the front forward a little bit. You can see that because of the bottom side of it. Yeah, because of the bottom part. And I do not trace the same curve as the front. You can see I made a straight line for the curve for the back side. With the armhole, I made it straight. And I measure half inch for the back neck If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. You're an old member of this family. Give me a thumbs up and comment. Tell me what you think. When it comes to vest, the back is long. The back is shorter than the front. That means the front is longer than the back. So you just have to fold it 2 inch inward. Got to fold 2 inch to follow up the 2 inch that we marked there. So this is how it's gonna look like. Yeah, we're going with a simple way. It's easier, simple way how to make a simple vest for a kid. You can follow this process and make it for a female, a lady, a kid, just like, just a simple. So we're gonna cut the lining. Simple way of cutting the lining. I first use the same fabric, because I'm gonna turn it over. I'm gonna use the same fabric. Still measuring how I want it to be. And you just cut it. This is just a simple vest, just a simple way. I'm just cutting the lining. You can see how short the lining is. So if you have not subscribed yet, I don't know what you are waiting for. Just give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Share my work. Tell a friend and tell a friend that, hey, there's a Mora FC doing some great stuff. Charlie, let's come and show support and love. Let's support this guy. He's doing great stuff. So I'm continuing with it. This is the lining. So I'm just going to continue with it. So this is how it's going to be. You just have to cut it out. I have put on it on half inch on top of it because I'm going to sew on half inch. So I'm putting them. So you can see that I'm cutting out, dividing it. I'm now divided into 2. If you have not subscribed, I don't know what you are waiting for. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up. So this is how it's going to be. I'm going to put it on half inch on top of each other like this, because that's where I'm going to sew. So you put to see how muchly perfect it has been. Just a simple way. This is the lining of it. So we're going to work with the back. The lining of the back will be short. It's not going to be long as the front, because we folded 2 inch above. We folded 2 inch. Talking about the back, we folded 2 inch. So just have to cut. I'm just put it on it and cut it same length. After that, I'll deduct some 1.5 inch. You deduct 1.5 inch from it. From the main lining, because we're going to sew half inch to join with this one, so it's going to be the same. If you have not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share my work, tell a friend to tell a friend that Mora is doing something banger. So we're going to do with the pocket. These are, like I said, they're just a function pocket that we're going to put it on top like that and just get on our way. So show some love, show some support this movement. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share my work, give me a comment. I will appreciate your support, your time and your energy for watching. There are so many stuff I'm going to be teaching, different stuff. Just have to click on the notification bell, so anytime that I post something, you be the one to come and join. You get a message when you click on the notification bell. We all know that when you click on the notification bell, it will give you a message. So I'm just darting half inch from that angle to make a curve. So click on the notification bell, so that anytime that I post video, you're gonna see the pocket. I made it 3.5 inch long, 3.5 depth. Yeah, 3.5 inch long, 3.5 depth. So it's gonna be like this, and I'll sew around. But I'm gonna put facing. So like I said, this one is part 1 and part 2. You just have to wait for the part 2. How to sew it. This is how to cut it. So wait for the part 2. Thank you so much for watching. I will appreciate your time. Thank you so much. We done. Hey, we done. So this is how it look like. Isn't it amazing? So wait for the sewing, the part 2.